one of the very few things which I've got to upgrade the car is these Kryptonite lower control arm ball joints and upper control arm ball joints for the X3. Having had a look over the car, it's pretty much all upgraded, and there's no major component that I want to change. The car was running the standard ball joints, which have proven to be pretty strong. Lots of people are still running the standard ones. We were just having an issue with the circlip holding on for dear life underneath it, and I was thinking, what's the point in upgrading everything else and then relying on that little circlip to be perfectly seated for a few hours racing? So anyway, got these bad boys mainly because they clamp onto the arms. They're threaded, and you torque them down. Nut goes for the lower, the nut goes up from the bottom. They're serviceable and everything, and this isn't sponsored, by the way. I'll see how they go. I expect they're going to be pretty bloody good, and I hope they were, because they weren't the cheapest thing I've ever bought, but they might not be, so I guess we'll find out. But today, I'm going to fit them. I'm also filming the fitment of the Winch today, so naturally, ADHD's made an appearance. I'm going to try and film 2 videos at once, all while emailing some people about various things and thinking about what to do for the weekend and organising to go to Carnicross next weekend, and yeah, at least I'm feeling productive. Anyway, let's fit some stuff. You ready? Let's go. That was better. Hey! That was easy breezy beautiful. Now I gotta do some more stuff. But you know, today is gonna be a good day because Gonna knock you out. Look at this. Look at it. Bloody perfect. Bolt holes line straight up. Oh, that is so nice. I love you guys at Carbon. You're the best.
In the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
I've obviously got some other stuff going on now. It's for later. But winch, looking good. Just got to do the wiring. I love that it's accessible but also protected. So hopefully nothing will bonk. And these guys, all done. So yeah, I am eager to do some testing. Hopefully we get a chance soon. I've got to have surgery on my sinuses next Friday. And then it's only once I've recovered from that, if that's a 2-week recovery as expected, then it's only like 2 weeks until Off-Road Outlaws. So hopefully I get a chance to press the button and do the things, but we will see. Either way, very excited about all that stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching along. I'll keep making videos, hopefully keep improving videos as well. It's another big thing, got to keep improving. Yeah, because it's good that you get the cut down version. I think it was like 3 hours of footage-ish that I went through. I'm probably being conservative. Maybe it was like 6 hours of footage that I went through to just grab a few clips to put a 10-minute video together. Feel free to leave a comment if it's too short, if it's too long, if you want more of something, because I'm just going based off what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to be myself. So I know I talk slowly, and I kind of chop and change. I like a bit of silly stuff in videos. So if you have any recommendations or personal preferences, I'll take a what's it called? What's that bloody thing called where they give you donuts and put you in a room? I know that was a psychological experiment. Now I'm hungry. What bloody hell is it called? A group think? A think tank? Think tank? A think tank. Think tank. That doesn't sound... Anyway, I'll put... Hopefully if multiple people leave comments, even if they're different views, that's maybe a think tank. That's probably the wrong word. But anyway, yeah, maybe I'll change how I do some things and experiment. So, thanks for riding along. See you next time.